Made it clear that you don't want to search in your car. There's no more consent. But
right. So I'm asking.
So
Step back here.
Wait. What I'm asking, real quick. So I just want a clear answer. I just want a clear answer. Can y'all give me a clear answer? Do I have to consent for y'all to search my car?
Oh, it's your choice.
Right. So
And if you're denying consent, you're stepping back here because the officer's asking you to, and you can finish the conversation with me, or you're gonna go in handcuffs.
So I'm just asking.
Ma'am, if you wasn't suspicious, you suspicious now, Big Bird. And that's word to Big Bird. Deploy, sir! Hurry up! She got a runner! A sprinter track star! Yay! Jesus! Yay! Run it back!
did you see like license or anything?
Oh!
Don Julio?
Don Julio make you like a folio!
Don Julio, make you a folio.
Hello, hey, you talking about how you? Lady, hey, we on the same type of timer. Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? Back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, man. I hope you guys have a great day and having a great day. And I hope you make it home safe. That's just, you know what I'm saying? Take it for granted. A lot of people take that shit for granted, man. Thankful every time we make it home, okay? We're about to tap into a video I got sent. Traffic stop turned into drug dealer's worst nightmare. I bet it did. I bet it did, okay? Listen, guys, we're going live on Twitch tonight at 6. Make sure you come tap in. The link is in the description box. All the links, matter of fact. Tap in. If you don't have Twitch, download it. We're going live tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is West Coast time. We're giving away 10 sweatshirts, but we have to have 75 people in stream on Twitch, baby. So if you come in on YouTube, I'm gonna need you to switch over to Twitch so we get the 75 people in stream for 15 to 20 minutes, and we're giving away a sweatshirt every day for the next 6 days. Please come tap in. Let's get this done. It's a goal of ours. We got to get it done. We're going to get it done. Facts, okay? With that being said, we got to check on people's meepers, man. Get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Run it back. Most importantly, spiritually. Say it again one time for the people in the back. Spiritually. Make sure they up, okay? Now, let's see what's going on with this drug bussery.
About my ID.
Well, he saw something he wanted to ask you to step out for, okay?
Can you ask me?
Unbuckle your belt, hon.
Okay, I will.
Officer asked you to step out, so that's what we're going to do. We'll talk about whatever you want to talk about on the outside of the vehicle. There we go.
You got anything that's gonna poke or stick me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, wait, what's
You don't have
going
anything.
on?
You don't have anything stuffed anywhere, do you?
No, sir.
What you got in your pocket here?
Just my phone.
Okay.
Any firearms in the car?
No, sir.
Any firearms on you?
No, sir.
Do you have any drugs on you?
No, sir.
Do you have a problem if we check? Do you have a problem if we check, ma'am?
No, I don't have a problem. I'm sorry. I'm just
Okay, that's all right.
like you checking my person. You checking my.
Yeah.
What's happening here?
Well, you were stopped through your window, Tim. You were reaching around on your right side when we stopped you. You're
I was
breathing.
driving in the house.
You're breathing out of your chest.
Yes, I'm nervous.
That's fine.
I have 5 cars right here.
Yeah, you're fine. I'm just answering your questions. You asked me a question, and I'm just answering them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and step to the rear of the vehicle for me, please.
You don't care if we take a... Do you care if we look? Did she say we're good?
No, I didn't say we're good to search my car. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Step
didn't.
back here.
I won't step away.
Yeah, you're...
because-
Okay, you are going to step away, or we're going to put you in handcuffs for obstructing, okay?
No, you said you asked me.
Hey, ma'am, step back here. Step back here and talk with me.
Wait, do I have to consent for you to search my car?
You already made it clear that you don't want to search in your car. There's no more consent. But
Right. So I'm asking.
Step back here.
Wait, what I'm asking, real quick. So I just want a clear answer. I just want a clear answer. Can y'all give me a clear answer? Do I have to consent for y'all to search my car?
Oh, it's your choice.
Right. So
And if you're denying consent, you're stepping back here because the officer's asking you to, and you can finish the conversation with me, or you're going to go in handcuffs.
So I'm just asking.
Ma'am, if you wasn't suspicious, you suspicious now, Big Bird. And that's word to Big Bird. You can't be no more suspicious. You got a white coat on with the whole Big Bird outfit, okay? Now you make it seem like, there's something in my car. I don't want you guys to see it. Are you goofy? And for this many officers to be here, baby, somebody called on you. If you carrying something, somebody called in on that, okay? You didn't let somebody in on it, or you got a bigger cut to somebody, baby. For all these people to show up because you had tinted windows, we pulled you over for tinted windows, 5 officers, cut it out. I ain't dumb either, okay? But the fact that you don't want them to go in there, they're going to eventually be able to go in there, baby. They're going to get a dog, sniff around there, hit on some shit, whatever the case, baby. You're not stopping it. Now, you should have been less suspicious, okay? That Big Bird outfit wasn't it, baby. And your movements right now, you not under that pressure. You sweating, you fidgety, and they noticing all of that.
What's your first name, ma'am?
My name is Detainment Johnson.
All right, Miss Johnson, you're going to go in handcuffs for obstructing if you don't step back here with me now.
Obstructing because you said I have consent. Wait, you said this was my warning, and I'm. Do you see that?
We don't have to do this, okay?
Okay. Just let me know.
I mean, this is
This is silly.
this is
silly.
Because I asked a question.
you just didn't like the answer.
You said I don't have to give consent.
You're right, and we're not checking
Right.
your car.
Right now you're
so I'm
being
just
detained
asking.
because you're obstructing our investigation, okay?
Investigation into what?
All right. Is there anything on you that this officer didn't find when he patted you down
No,
for
sir.
weapons? Okay. What's this?
Those are, I think, either ibuprofen or amoxicillin.
Okay. What's this here, ma'am?
A card?
Can I take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. So now that you know that we're not playing around, we were truthful with you up front. We answered your questions. When we ask you to do something, when we give you a lawful order to do something, you have to comply.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
It's not up for discussion. We're not having court at your driver's side door. We're not doing all that.
Yes, sir.
You
I'm
could have been
just-
standing back here with not in handcuffs.
Yes, sir. But do you understand this? I got 5 cars right here, so
Yeah.
of course that's gonna freak me out.
The officer also explained to you why you were
Listen,
stopped, what you were
listen,
stopped
I've never
for.
gotten pulled over.
Okay, turn this on.
I've
It's
never
fine.
gotten pulled over, had any interaction with the police or anything.
That's fine.
And so that's why I'm just trying to get the best idea and understanding of what we're doing
Step
here.
back
Hello.
here from me, Miss Johnson. Okay, you can do a better
Here,
pat if
I'm
you
gonna
want.
do the one
Step
that
back here.
Okay, that's fine. We can do it right here.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Damn.
You can start right there. Yes, of course.
What's your name?
My name is
Mo.
Detainment Johnson.
Alright. Is this yours?
Yes. You can check it has the same name as my
Ibuprofen.
ID. Yeah, I don't know if it's ibuprofen or amoxicillin. Y'all scared me. Goodness gracious. And then when I get scared,
We're not upset about you asking questions.
But then
We have
when
no
I get
problem answering your questions.
yeah, when I get scared, it's like y'all
there's-
like y'all getting upset that I'm scared.
No one's upset
No one
with
yelled
you.
at you.
No one yelled at you
We
at
were just
all.
giving you very
Yeah.
clear direction, and you were hesitant to
It was
take it, that's all.
scary. My bra. You can fill in there. Go in there.
I don't want to get up in there, that's all. I want to make sure.
Bro, somebody called on this woman.
So to
For
kind of further
sure.
our conversation here, in order for us to do our job safe and keep you safe, there's certain reasons we ask the things we do and certain reasons we do the things we do. Okay?
Right.
So like I was saying, we're not going to have a discussion or hold court while you're standing at your driver's side door.
Right.
Okay? I clearly asked you multiple times to step back here and further your conversation with me, which you didn't.
Yes, it was.
I warned
was
you again. I
nervous,
told you
which
exactly
I
what you were
do
going to be
apologize
detained
for
in
being
handcuffs
nervous.
for. Okay.
I apologize. I was just nervous. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
She looking
Okay.
side-eye like, what the fuck? Don't hit on her.
I was just riding around, actually. That's so funny. I literally just
Where did you start at?
I literally just left from Stowe, and I got on down here because my mom lives right off of Inman. So I was literally, I just got my hair done.
It looks nice, by the way.
Thank you.
When you from Stowe to here, did you stop anywhere?
Yes, I did.
Where did you stop?
I stopped. I actually didn't stop. I went down the road, but I didn't stop there.
Okay.
She really thinks she about to get away with it still. She really thinks she's about to get away with it. Man, you know, all these officers ain't there, you know, tinted windows and all that type of shit. Somebody called her. Man. They know you got that shit in there. They know they got it, that you got it on you.
You hit?
Now they can go in the car.
Sometimes my boyfriend got he got stopped.
That's the one that threw the gun, is it?
That's the one that allegedly put a gun here.
He's in jail for that?
Yeah.
I thought
Well,
that-
parole violation at this point.
Right hand, that center council area is where I saw if something.
Got $40 in the door here. I don't know. Like it was just put there, so you could have something. You did like this right here. You like this door, you like that.
Can you put my shirt down real quick? Can I get my phone?
I think they're both right here, ma'am.
I got a phone in here.
Oh, there's another phone in
Yeah.
there. You got 3 phones.
Oh, you the runner.
How you afford
You the
3
plug
phones?
for
I
real.
can't even afford one.
That phone is broke. Both of those phones are broken.
They're all okay.
Yeah.
So what would you have those phones for?
Well, Wi-Fi. Because I have certain apps on some that I don't have on others. So, it's a phone that's ringing that's connected to my car though.
Okay. We're gonna have a seat back here, ma'am.
Can we loosen the cuffs?
I think they're pretty loose. Okay.
They're not. My blood circulation is being cut off.
All right. So do me a favor. You can get a finger in there because I put them on. Do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
Try to keep your hands together a little bit. Don't. Yeah, there you go.
It's a little.
I know. Don't let the weight of your arms pull them apart.
Don't lean back on them.
Do you want to Mirandize or you want me to?
Me?
I got it. I got it, Sheila.
I thought you were talking.
All right, Miss Johnson, I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I want to ask you some further questions, and you are detained at the moment.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have the right to...
Okay, sorry.
Let me finish. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions, or make any statements. Do you understand what I've just advised you of?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just to cut any confusion down from you, obviously you denied consent to search your vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
You see the officers are checking it now.
Yes, sir.
So we ran one of our drug dogs around your car and he hit on it, which furthers our probable cause to check the vehicle for narcotics or any other drugs. Is there something in the car that you would like to admit to or let us know now?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. I Mirandized her. I asked her if there's anything in the car the dog might have hit on, and she said no. So I'll let you speak with her. She has been Mirandized. She's aware of her rights. I'm still red. Did we find something?
Yeah, probably. What are they? 20, 25 grand, I think?
Oh, there we go.
These must be strips.
Yeah.
What's the box?
All right, we can probably. How's that going? Can we turn our cams off, Jeff?
It appears that this is what she's using
Turn
to
the cams
scrape
off
it up
for
with,
it,
so there you go. I'll take that as well.
What
5.05. I'll go wait. I got it. Oh, it's just still all messed up. Let's see. It's on zeros.
Was that just a lot of bag?
It's a lot of bag.
Okay.
Now we're doing 5.16. I'm thinking that's just the bag sitting on a little differently. We say about 5 grams. This is bag. Yeah. It's 5 grams. And then I'll go test it.
You guys all off now?
No, I got to mute still, but
You can go off. They're
Go off.
trying to
all right. Work talk.
interview her.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't like that turn off shit. I want to hear the whole conversation, and then that kind of sounds suspicious. Like, go off for what? You're still in that. Like, turn that motherfucker off when y'all get back in the car. Y'all in a whole nother situation type. That's what all right. Anyway, ma'am, you couldn't look no more suspicious. You couldn't be no more motherfucking nervous. Okay. For somebody to say they've never been in trouble with the law, this how you want to get your this how you want to get your first felony type? Like, this should be boring me. Y'all do anything for these men, huh? They be giving y'all the good hickory dickory. Apparently, it ain't worth it, baby. Too many men out here in the sea. Okay, the man come and go ask you to run that and do that for him. Especially if you said your boyfriend was in jail. Especially from jail, leave him where he's at in that cell. Unless you want to be right there next to him in the next women's cell, women's jail across the street type. You know what I'm saying? Like, make it make sense. But very suspicious. You were very suspicious. And you thought you was gonna talk your way out of them not searching the car. That was suspicious. Anyway, man, drop down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it. Drug runners, be on the lookout, okay? Big Bird, what's the word, is on the way. She's not coming with your drugs, sir. Wherever they were supposed to go, she ain't coming. You have to go talk to her man in the jail cell type. Catch you guys next video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna catch you guys on Twitch tonight at 6 p.m. Tap in. Let's give away some sweatshirts. We're gonna be on this motherfucker Twitch until we give away 10 sweatshirts. That's a fact, Jack. I love y'all like I love me. I'm gonna tap you guys in the next video. Keep sending me the videos. Foodjungle_ENT. Send me the link to my DM. We're gonna keep turning it up. That's what we do.